President Emmerson Mnangagwa's wife, First Lady Auxillia Mnangagwa, and their son, Major Sean Mnangagwa, have effectively taken over the key presidential decision-making powers, raising fears that Zimbabwe is now being run by an unelected family duo, acting as de facto heads of state. Sandapinda mashikobdanyi kwachinzi ED-wife, pamwechete military sign, secretly take over power and subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mzimu mubdanyi kwamchinzi. This is startling revelation follows a highly controversial reshuffle within the Allied Special Air Services, which has sparked alarm within both military and political circles. The directive bearing Mnangagwa's signature appointed Lieutenant General Emmanuel Matatu as the new army commander and elevated Major Edmore Madema to lead the SAS, replacing Lieutenant Colonel Maisiri, who was reassigned to an unspecified post. However, military insiders insist the document was drafted and executed by Auxillia and Sean Mnangagwa without the president's knowledge. The timing of the appointment, just days before large-scale anti-Mnangagwa protests scheduled for March 31, 2025, has further fueled speculation that power is quietly shifted from the president to his wife and son, who are accused of manipulating the security forces to entrench their own influence and suppress dissent. Madema's elevation is particularly controversial. He previously headed the Army Training School in Ndalawala and implicated in the abduction and murder of opposition supporter Tafumane Masai in November 2023. Thomas Kanobuda panapa atukona kuti aiwa kuri kunzi kumabaraki uko aiwa masoja angotarira panapa vachiona kuti matransition aitika anotoshamisa aiwa anga ari very immediate, and vanoona kuti even kusainiwa kwacho panapa vari kuya mune madhauza achiti mutungamiri wenyika anenge asiri kuziva pamusoro pazvo, zvinenge zvinhu zvakangoitiwa the son wemutungamiri wenyika pamwechete neThe wife. Mashoko ari kuda panapa panguva ino tikuona kuti as the power struggle aiwa yatikuona ichiintensifya munyika, tichiona kuti iri kudhimanda mutungamiri wenyika kuti aresign immediately. Panguva ino tikuona kuti nyika yese iri kuona kuti chabvunduka the ruling party ZANU-PF. It is now embroiled mutension isati yamboitika kubva ichivambiwa. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Pina comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.